Okay, we continue with the activity. Today, I need that you write the date, August 2020. Topic, use to, performance, talking about routines. And today we work page 48.A, B, and C. Okay, this is activity for you. Okay, continue. And it's only activity. Okay, I need that you open your book, please, page 48. When you open your book, you read point A. Okay? Listen and choose the correct picture to answer the question. You listen this track, yo se las comparto adjunto, la escuchan, las oraciones que van a escuchar aquí, hay unas que ya trabajamos la clase pasada para que les fuera más fácil. Okay? Listen and choose the correct picture and answer the question. You listened, okay? The activities that used to or didn't used to, and answer. How did Jim used to go to work? ¿Cómo solía Jim ir al trabajo? Okay? ¿Cuál de estos utilizaba? The car, the subway, the bus, the bicycle or taxi. Okay, how does Jim go to work now in the present and in the past? Okay, ¿sí ves? Mira, aquí es cómo solía ir a trabajar y cómo va al trabajo. Ya no utilizo used to, porque yo utilizo used to cuando es algo que hacía en el pasado, pero que ahora ya no lo hago. ¿Ok? Why did Jim used to go to school when he lived in the country? Used to go, aquí sí lo utilizo porque mira que utiliza el auxiliar did, ya me está indicando que es en una oración en pasado. Used to, solía, es algo que él solía hacer. ¿Cómo? How, ¿cómo? Cómo él solía ir a la escuela cuando él vivía en el campo. Yes. And this is for you. Complete the sentences used to or didn't use to in affirmative or negative. Jim ride the bus when he lived in the country. And second, take the subway, Jim, to work. Okay, and you complete these sentences according that you listen, okay? Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. It's easy activity, and only you need to listen and listen the audio to understand. Okay, bye, see you. And remember, please, don't forget to write the sentences on using pencil. Using pencil, please. Utiliza siempre el lápiz. No vayas a utilizar ni color rojo ni esfero para que cuides tus libros. Okay, bye, my students. See you.